I'm getting better at this. All right, so I'm about to try this. Oh, these are good. They are so tender. They are so tender. Let me try another one. Oh, these are so good. I always thought neck bones were my favorite over the oxtails, but these are so, so good. They're covered in a sauce. Oh, thanks for the gift. That is really good. And then I'm gonna try. This is a sweet potato. Oh, the oxtails they got a little spice to them, Mama. They got a little spice. But, oh, this is good too.